Alright, you guys, so now I'm taking out my blower motor resistor. Man, this is the one that's dirty, all messed up. As you can see, let me get the new one real quick. Dang, I left the new one in the garage, bro. Dang. Okay, well, we're going to drive over to the garage real quick. So that was not my plan, but that's what we're going to do. So that'll be easy. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all the difference between the new blower resistor on my Volkswagen. This is the old one right here. I already showed, like, you know, it's all crummy, look all messed up, old, rusted. I'm surprised it lasted this long. No wonder it went out. And then for this new one, which I got, for this new blower resistor, which I got off Amazon, I brought it for $9.99 compared to me going to AutoZone or the dealership paying. The cheapest one I seen at AutoZone or in store for me, where I'm at least, was 46 bucks. I'm like, that's way too high. I know I can find cheaper. So went and got this new one. I'm gonna show y'all off Amazon. And what do you know? Look at the difference compared to this one. Matter of fact, let me set them down so you can see even better. Side by side. Old versus new. Old versus new, folks. Look at that. Look at the difference. So yeah, when something goes wrong with your car, your check engine light come on, make sure you attend to it promptly, or at least find out what it is. That way you can know if it's something small to where you can keep riding for about a week or two, or something immediately, you know. So get it checked out. Okay, so replacing my blower resistor motor, just put that new one in y'all was looking at. It's up under the dashboard. I'm also going to replace my air filter while I'm under here. Y'all can see that right here. I'm gonna finger it, this whole thing, but I gotta go pick up my sister's little brother and take him to school or therapy, so we'll do that when I get back. But at least I could ride with some AC and not have to wait for the AC to be on high, which is annoying. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so I had a lot of stuff I had to replace in my car today. I had to replace my motor blower resistor, which I showed y'all. Had to replace my my purge valve for my emissions test for the valve that lets in the fumes from the gas line into the throttle, which I showed you guys already. And now I just replaced my cabin air filter. I don't know if y'all can see the difference. Hold up. So if y'all see the difference, let me know. Hold on, let me get some better light up in here, because, like, man, every time I'm trying to shoot, it's like the lighting's horrible. Maybe it's just this camera, but I don't know if y'all can see the difference. Yeah, major difference. So this one's all dirty, all the stuff. See all that junk in there? You look at this one, all that gunk, all the leaves and all that stuff. Bad for you to breathe. That's why sometimes you get in people's cars, you'll sneeze because they got dirty filters. This one all clean, so yeah.